A lot like yesterday, Emily. The weather's not changing until we get to about Friday of this next coming week, which means we're staying sunny, warm, and above average. But since we've got a little bit of an adjustment today, with the clocks being different, let me just give you a review on how the sky's going to look a bit different and our sunset and sunrise times and how they've changed. Sunrise, 6:35. That an hour earlier than it was yesterday. So we're already getting real pretty light in the sky. I'll show you that in a second. And the sun's going down at 5:10. That's really where we notice it's the most, when it starts getting darker so much earlier. But the people who are not early risers miss out on the fact that we're now getting an hour earlier light here. That's what it looks like. Our view from the top of the Mark Hopkins Hotel, looking off towards the east. A couple of other vantage points on this day. San Jose, that's you. Just a few mid-level clouds there overhead for the Santa Clara Valley. Here's what it looks like coming onto the Bay Bridge, looking off towards the east. It's just always nice to take that on an early morning view and watch the traffic just streaming through unimpeded. And there's your view from the top of the Salesforce Tower looking east. So we've still got little ways to go. It's not till 6:35 before we get to sunrise today. As far as the way it feels out there, it's a bit chilly. It's 44 degrees in Livermore right now. That's going to feel cold. A little colder than maybe what you've gotten used to by a couple of degrees anyway. 47 in Concord, 48 in San Jose, 42 in Santa Rosa. That's actually a little warmer than it was yesterday. A little bit of those mid-level clouds are keeping us slightly warmer. But there is a decrease in air quality, and now for the first time in a little while anyway, one of our air quality sensors is reporting unhealthy for sensitive groups down here for San Jose. Everybody else is moderate, but we've already seen one sensor go down to unhealthy for sensitive groups. And if we look at where this is coming from, there's the point source for the smoke coming off the creek fire. Watch the times up there. We're going to play this through the remainder of today and tomorrow. And we keep pulling in just enough smoke in the mid and upper levels. Some of it drifts down here to the ground, and we have to keep talking about air quality in the moderate category, if not even a little worse at times, as we saw for at least that one official sensor in San Jose already reading unhealthy for sensitive groups today. But as far as the sunny and warm, that's not changing. We're doing it again today. 84 in Campbell, 80 in Palo Alto. Union City hits 78. Fremont's going to 80. We'll go to 84 in Concord. Dublin hits 84. There's Walnut Creek at 84. Numbers in the immediate bay come into the mid and upper 70s. We'll go to 81 in Novato, 83 Santa Rosa, and similar numbers as we start to get farther north. One thing about these temperatures to keep in mind, we are well above average, about 10 degrees above average for this time of year, and it's going to stay that way until we get to Friday. And then if you take a look at Friday, the temperatures are really going to do quite a noticeable change. Many parts of the mountains for California will actually go below average. But here in the Bay Area, since there's no color shading on there, that shows us by Friday our temperatures are going all the way back down to average. And just to show you what that looks like, we're going from 84 on Thursday inland to right around 70. That's a big change, Thursday into Friday. And notice how the clouds increase there? It's not a very impressive shot, but there is a small hint of a remote possibility we might get some light rain by the time we get to Friday and Saturday. The more certain change is the cool down, but we'll all keep our fingers crossed that we get a little light rain out of this pattern change.